Hello everyone. Today I'm here with YouTube family. I joined the YouTube family by the lot of peoples. I have used the Facebook also, and a lot of people can know about me in Facebook. So now I'm here with YouTube family by a lot of people's demands. So in the first video of YouTube, I'm going to take a topic about how you will introduce yourself among the people, between the people, and in the front the people and from the camera. It's my topic for today video. You may know that how you will speak, how you will learn, and how you will hear. And I just try to speak with the confidence, with the very attitude, and you will speak a pro level. I'm here. I will try to learn very professional English. And you maybe see a lot of people can make a channels in YouTube to grow, to learn English. You will saw and watch videos in YouTube. But in my channel, you will learn a professional English, inshallah. I am here with you. My name is Faisal, and I will introduce myself in English. Today, my topic have only three lessons. Only three lessons. In the first lesson, you will introduce yourself personally. And the second one, you will introduce yourself, your hobbies. And the third one, you will introduce your dream. This is a very professional and very attitude, a powerful introduction among the people, between the people, front the camera, everywhere. You can do it. It's very easy, but it's a very professional. If you learn this, if you learn this introduction, then you will never be feel any hesitation from the people. So I'm here. I will going to introduce myself in the front of camera. I will try to learn in my introduction, and the last I will introduce myself very quickly. It's just take only a 3 minutes or 2 minutes. It's a very professional type of introduction. So first of all, I wanted to say that watch my video from the start to end and do not forget my subscriber. Okay, if you miss any step, if you miss any video, then you will never be speak English confidently, because my every video will be very important for every speaker. So the first video I gonna start from the introduction. In the first topic, introduction have three lessons. The first one is personally introduction. In the personal introduction, you will introduce your name, your father name, and where you belong from. And I will try and introduce. I am Faisal from Daucha, and my father name is Inamullah. It's take only 3-4 seconds. It's very easy. But if you try to make it very professional, then you can speak it like that. I'm Faisal from Daucha, and my father is a very good name in Namullah, and he is doing a job in Saudi Arabia. You can be add his jobs. You can you can add your jobs, and this is a professional. It's a very professional. You will never be you will never hear this type of introduction from anyone. And the second one is hobby. What is hobby? Lot of people can ask, what is hobby? I'm introduction. I will introduce the hobby. So what is hobby? Hobby is that what you play in your spare time, this is hobby. So uh, I'm gonna to you I'm gonna to use the hobby in my introduction. So the second one lesson is also a hobby. Then I will introduce my hobby. My hobby is playing cricket. Usually I play cricket to protect my body from any virus and make my body fit. This is my hobby, and usually I play it in my spare time. It's complete the second step. What you will say? My hobby is playing cricket. I play it in my spare time and it keeps me very fit physically and protect my body from any virus, any disease. This is a second one lesson. And the third one lesson is your dream. Dream. Dream mean what is your future to become. And the third one, I will introduce myself. What is my dream? Everyone know that what is dream, and I will introduce the dream in the professional level. So I'm gonna to use my dream in my introduction. So I'm gonna to start. I am. My dream is to become a doctor. I want to become a doctor because to help the poor peoples. And usually a dream become from since 10 years. You will use what is your dream and why you take this dream and from how years you will take this dream and why you can do it. So this is the professional level and I can do it with a very slowly. If I can do, I try to learn you, but if I can do, such as how that, if will come to introduce myself. So I'm Faisal from Daucha. My father name is Enamullah. My hobby is playing cricket. Usually I play it in my spare time because it keeps me fit and healthy and protects my body from disease, from any virus. And my dream is to become a doctor, to help the poor peoples. Usually, I want to become a doctor because I want to help the poor peoples. And this dream is from since last 10 years. This is very professional level introduction. And I will try to learn English to everyone a very easy way with my facing videos. A lot of people can make a faceless video, but they can't show himself because of their feel hesitation. But if you try to take a learn English, then you can watch a facing video. Then you will never be feel any hesitation. You will become a confident man, and you will never be learn English with the faceless. If you want to learn, then watch my facing video. And the second video is coming tomorrow. Inshallah, I will become a very great topic. I will bring a very great topic which is too much important, which have a lot of people demands. And inshallah, we will meet with the next video for tomorrow. And never be forget my subscribe. Khuda Hafiz, everyone. Goodbye.